Welcome to Manhattan Beach Toyota's service department. Let's meet their 2022 service team lineup.
Ian Gerasi. I've been here for almost 2 years. Started out as a porter, now I'm a technician. In my free time, I like to deafen my neighbors by playing drums.
Hi, my name is Jimmy Sissawan, and I've been a technician for 5 years. I started off as a lube tech, and now I'm working at used car department. And on my free time, I like party, like rave. Is that good?
John Mosito. I've been here 8 years, started as a porter, now I'm a master diagnostic technician, and when I'm not under the hood, I'm out riding my Harley.
Hi, I'm Jose Nahar, and I've been working at Manhattan Beach Toyota for the last 15 years. I started in a regular team just doing oil changes and tires, and now I've finally moved up to a shop foreman position, and on my spare time I usually work on my own project at home.
I'm Alfredo Alvarez, been here 4 years. I started as a lube tech, now I'm a line technician. When I'm not here, I'm working on cars at home too.
I'm Tyler Kawamoto. I've been working here for 2 years as a line tech. I first started as an apprentice and went to Cypress College for T10, and after I finished I went and joined the line. In my off time when I'm not working, usually I'm either golfing or even working on cars helping other friends.
Come down to Manhattan Beach Toyota and experience how well this team works together.